With the introduction of 3D printing technology, it has opened a new horizon of innovation. It is stimulating thought process where now we are thinking of things which were just a think of fantasy. With the 3D printing, everything is becoming possible now. You can see a 3D printed castle over here. You can see these structures all have been made through the 3D printing. As now we can even use metal, the application of 3D printing is getting enlarged. The gears inside are printed at once and not stacked together later on. They are made at once. You can see the minute precision of 3D printing. Now let's see another structure, metal structure. These all are used, there is a powder form metal, and then with a laser guided thing, the 3D printing is done.